Today I want to talk to you about one simple idea that can change the way you speak English forever. The idea is this: train your mouth, not your mind. Many people think English is about grammar rules, vocabulary lists, and thinking very hard before speaking. They believe they must understand everything in their head before they open their mouth. But this way of learning keeps you silent. It makes you afraid. It makes you slow. English is not a math problem. English is a physical skill. And physical skills are learned with the body, not just the brain. Think about how you learned your first language. You did not study grammar books. You did not memorize rules. You did not translate in your head. You listened, and you spoke. You made mistakes. You repeated sounds again and again. Your mouth learned before your mind understood. That is why your first language feels natural. That is why it flows. English should feel the same way. Many English learners are trapped in their mind. Before they speak, they think. They think about grammar. They think about tenses. They think about being correct. By the time they are ready, the moment is gone. The conversation moves on, and they feel frustrated. This happens because they trained their mind, but they forgot to train their mouth. Your mouth is a muscle system. Your tongue, lips, jaw, and throat must learn new movements. English sounds are different from your native language. If you do not train these muscles, English will always feel uncomfortable. You will always feel slow. You will always feel shy. But when you train your mouth, speaking becomes automatic. Fluency is not about knowing more words. Fluency is about speed and confidence. It is about speaking without stopping. It is about letting words come out without fear. This only happens when your mouth is trained to move freely. When you practice speaking every day, your mouth remembers patterns. It remembers sounds. It remembers rhythm. And one day, you stop thinking. You just speak. Many people say, "I understand English, but I cannot speak." This sentence is very important. It shows the real problem. Understanding happens in the mind. Speaking happens in the body. You trained your mind by listening and reading, but you did not train your mouth by speaking. So the solution is not more grammar. The solution is more speaking. Do not wait until you feel ready. You will never feel ready. Readiness comes after action, not before. Speak even when you feel uncomfortable. Speak even when you make mistakes. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake tells your mouth how to improve. When a baby learns to speak, we do not laugh at mistakes. We encourage the baby. We listen. We smile. You must treat yourself the same way. Be patient with your mouth. Give it time. Give it practice. Speak slowly at first. Speak clearly. Repeat the same phrases many times. Repetition is power. You do not need complex sentences. You need simple sentences said with confidence. You do not need perfect pronunciation. You need clear communication. English is a tool, not a test. Its purpose is to connect people, not to impress them. One of the best ways to train your mouth is to speak out loud every day. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Share your thoughts. Tell stories. Your mouth does not know if someone is listening or not. It only knows movement and sound. The more you move it, the better it becomes. Another powerful method is imitation. Listen to native speakers and copy them. Copy their rhythm. Copy their speed. Copy their emotion. Do not worry about understanding every word. Focus on sound. Focus on flow. Your mouth will learn faster this way. Stop translating in your head. Translation slows you down. English should come directly from your mouth, not through your native language. This takes time, but it is possible. The key is practice. Real practice. Speaking practice. Confidence does not come from thinking. Confidence comes from doing. Every time you speak, even for 1 minute, you build confidence. Every time you stay silent, fear grows stronger. Choose action. Choose your voice. Remember this sentence. Your mouth learns by speaking, not by thinking. Train your mouth, and your mind will follow. One day, you will speak English and surprise yourself. Not because you are smart, but because you practiced. This journey is not easy, but it is simple. Speak every day. Make mistakes. Smile. Keep going. English is waiting for your voice.